Get a feel for the 2020 Land Rover Discovery. With less than 45,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Enjoy a view of this premium Land Rover Discover, the large luxury SUV that elevates every adventure with go-anywhere capability, advanced connectivity, robust safety features, and family-friendly 3-row seating. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, 3rd-row seat, moonroof, navigation system, keyless entry, fog lamps, power liftgate, satellite radio, power passenger seat, 4-wheel drive. Sirius off-road capability meets high-end luxury in this superlative Discovery. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.